Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature so corrections can work. Open Settings or System Preferences and go straight to Keyboard or Typing options. Once there, enable Autocorrect and any text replacement features. Make sure the correct language pack is installed and prioritized so suggestions match your typing. You'll need to grant permission if prompted. This lets the OS apply changes system-wide. Once done, close Settings and test in a simple text field to confirm the base autocorrect engine is active and ready. Now customize how autocorrect behaves so it fixes what you want. Open text replacement or dictionary entries and add common typos as shortcuts. For example, map "tay" to the. Adjust suggestion aggressiveness or grammar checks in the same panel to reduce false corrections. If your system offers cloud sync, enable it so custom entries follow you across devices. Make sure to test with sentences that reflect your writing style, because personalization reduces mistakes and speeds typing the next time you work. Finish by ensuring individual apps use the system autocorrect or their own settings. Check Word, Mail, and browser extensions and enable corrections there as required. If changes don't show up, restart the affected app and then the system. Many settings need a reboot to take effect. If errors persist, clear the custom dictionary or reset autocorrect settings to defaults, then re-add essential replacements. Troubleshooting tip: if a single app ignores autocorrect, disable conflicting extensions and test again to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.